Abushamo kwa badeba Island Media Ghana se ndidi kan ohwe meso so be subscribe to your YouTube channel no. Wa like na wa share no oja comment no ho se ne be ya me ba making kan ede ama wo na ese bia aye kama. Na busua eno na celebrate a National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving service. Aye ba so asofo bebre toto yensa penfo to monsa fra asofo bebre. Momo ba se ye me bibia eye kama tese eno awudi wani kire mo ho na ese Ghana ye fe pa enye me course wo ho no ese wani na ensese ye ka kire na de no me kasa wani ese eye enran so no eye asofo e ba ye no Reverend Owusu Bempa enso baase bi osofo ba mama part ono so baby na de tie ni Reverend Owusu Bempa ye ni enim so wono osofo ba mama part aye bone nsamrane ma okonfo ba agrada no woni no beef we no beef so pa te say o ma twia te say entumi entida na enra no Owusu Bempa ye Reverend Owusu Bempa edi kan wo program na se eja aye osofo ba mama part na osofo ba mama part ba no wo chia odu Reverend Owusu Bempa so no abusia ese wani ese se ka kire nyengo hwe nyisi o hono mre sisi ya na abusia anso ha okoha giwie ye no after program no wonya kwanya no ene the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Wonya kwanya kwehia no osan akoha age no na chese enra no de Agradaa no oko program no se afemfam de na se eno na chese okoye no ho se one Reverend Owusu Bempa beef ho omkoka bom na bia kama owie no san ba president so on any betchi anu be hage no wie no kansem abusia wase ta wanya kwanya any president akasa emitu no one etuma hage no na se wa anko heaven kra no a ope ego video ni mra
and I have got the privilege to hug the president. So if I did not go to heaven,
I was young no. Well, when you Paswati, dear course. Now, dear Mama Party, who is saying, okay, say, I was it 1 years I don't know. Should you see a chiano, famo, no, just or Jim, just a mass uncle is changing numbers. Nay, say, Enra, a National Day of Prayer Thanksgiving service, no, a reunited, sir, and go for me anyway, because now or time any basayo woman tem better no mkoshia hono almost is changing numbers and I just say or do as have a bomb tem but I don't buy the idea of almost sounds very nice no dabi oh you beef my be cannot is ya oh kabo mi is ya no mo sounds be na mfu na eze mo beef na zo twa na mama part pa enra mani diwachia sen ka obe o chia kra obe sno be no na nka wo wodi ka chia chum no do no watwam no kwetena se weji wani ama no gasa be social media no so ayede wakwa chia msa na ayede mama part Mamu adwo comment section ho nom say the mama party here so wani je ho a for wadwen kire to ho nom na menkenkan ni nyina emfa ma ho na abusia nyo ho biem su ni eye emre bi a etwam tama eye your president a wonya ni be bi coordinate John Evans Fifi Atamels ewa bemu no ensim bi ebeninam yum beninam Ghana ha gentre ha say eye general mosquito eye ase edunketia ewo fuel stations ewo Ghana ha ema chese MPP fo kanya ma chese ebegidi ma obi abegidi say no kre ye ba eye Ghana dia fuel stations ewo Ghana ha ne die eye general mosquito ase edunketia ne die fam Emma emrebi omo NDC omo boys ni bi ewo sunyan na onso eye filling station adwumaye bi na no osan dobo serial caller yakasi serial caller eye enkofo na omo follow NDC programs bi e bekoso all this radio station bia no omo follow eye sa morning show omo ye political talk shows no omo ye no omo follow ni so mbie phones line to me so obi an friend na adwuna sa enkofo ne enkofuku a omo frɛ se ne eye asema omo kan no se kotia NDC a omo frɛ ma defende se ko yi nso a so afrɛ no masanso akabi agum san kofo no na efrɛ mu serial callers na baako no oye fuel station eduan bi wo eye sunyan ene yedi nedi ena ko ba se party no wo mu no enipa ana panyi wo mu no ewo fuel station bi wo sunyan ho de so contact no na otumi employers na be ya nkwatena fie na no mo contact eye general mosquito eye asiedu enketia mo contact ne say ye wo boy bu ha say ne yi na di entini nka ye pese wo employ no filling station ho no say me na me bi fuel station da ben me ni fuel station be bia na say omu duedue ma no kwese sunwe ho no ye bu fuel station bia ne din eda so na no owurawura na de si ye no yenkotie amra wando de ne kopiem ewo Class FM.
There was a time when President Kufuor was I think when President Kufuor initially left office or when Atamels was in time. Then all of a sudden, people started saying that I own filling stations across the country. And
I heard that.
And I had 200 petrol tankers. You know how I dealt with some of these. There was a particular filling station in Sunyani which had been assigned to me. And they preach about it. MPP, they know how to do things. They spoke about it so much so that everybody came to believe it, including our own party people. And I didn't live in Sunyani, so I didn't have any notice about this. So how it came to my notice was that we had some party boy working in another filling station, and he doubles as a serial caller. And so the filling station manager sacked him, and he went and reported to a senior person in the party and pleaded with that senior person to call me to employ him in my filling station in Sudan. That was how I got to know. So that senior
employ person, you at a filling station you don't own.
I know. So that senior person called me, General, this is a problem we have to solve. This our serial caller has just been sacked from this. So we are begging you, can you take him at your filling station? I say, which filling station? They say, this one near Ohene Jan's house. I said, I don't know who owns it. I have no idea. I say, as for Tunjani, everybody knows. So even me, you want to hide things from me. I said, I don't own any filling station. I don't deal with petrol or anything. I said, what? So she told that senior person was a female. So he told me about the rumors about me owning that particular filling stations and all that. So I said, okay. I did my own checks and found out that it was true. Somebody was using my name like that. We did our manifesto launch in Sunyani. I think it at 2015 or so. So the party people came from all over the country to participate. So I told the group that brought that came from Tamale with their buses. I told Azoka that go to this particular filling station, go and fuel all the cars and tell them that. So don't tell them we didn't bring money, but fuel all the cars and tell them that the owner has asked you to come and fuel. So they went and did that. When the people they demanded money, say, "Oh, General Mosquito is the one who asked."
General Momoka.
And you ask, "Who say me now?" Person, "Oh, Moka."
So after they filled, how did they pay?
They said they are not paying. The General Mosquito has asked. The filling station belongs to him. He has asked you.
But you know it doesn't belong to you. So why did you ask them to go there?
But the owner knew it doesn't belong to me, and he was making this noise about me. So they filled in. When the people, the attendants, they even manhandled the attendants and drove off. So eventually, that owner had to emerge to now address the press that the filling station doesn't belong to Asiedun Ketia.
And I was young at Diano, and I grabbed any G, papa, to so baby, as if you are so buying nano. And run it da, Nenny G, Nenia G, as I want to have one meeting president to me a hagen on one, what heaven, crana. Ope, this Agrada, the heaven, no. And ya dear Obukubi. Well, any dear free one can say in dear free. It was an Etiano high Alan Media Ghana. Coswara dear tree. Na, yes, news didn't send me a cheat. The free mother piano, young fan come here tea for.